Hi, fourth grade. How are you doing? Hope you're doing good. Today we're going to work with factors and multiples. Factors we did factor rainbows with, so that's what I'm going to talk about first. So we're going to, I don't want that. Let's talk about factors first. So like I said, factors we did factor rainbows with. And a factor is a number that is multiplied by another number to find that product. And product is an answer to a multiplication problem. I'm going to make this a little bit thicker. Let's try that. So we're going to find the factors for 24. That's a lot better. So you always start with the number 1 because 1 times anything is itself. So I'm going to put a 1 over here and a 24 over here. Now I'm going to go through my numbers. After I say 1, I count 2. So is there anything times 2 that makes 24? Yup. 2 times 12. All right. If I'm counting, my next number would be 3. And I know that 3 times 8 equals 24. And then 4 comes next, so 4 times 6 is 24. And I know that 5 times nothing is 24, so now I'm done. Now I have my factor list right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Those are all of the factors of 24. And if you want to, I'm going to connect to make that factor rainbow. And if you would like to make factor rainbows on your paper, your whiteboard, or whatever, that is perfectly fine. There we go. There's my factor rainbow. So there's how you do factors. Now multiples, those ones are the super easy ones. Multiples are just like skip counting. So if I said I would like the multiple of 3, ooh, that's going to be a bad 3. 3, I'm just going to count by 3s. A multiple would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. If I wanted all the factors of 5, that would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and I could keep going on and on and on and on. So multiples are just skip counting. I'm going to show you what your homework looks like and how to do that. This anchor chart will be in there for you, by the way. Let's see if I can find it. Here, nope, that's not it. There we go. So you're going to have this with your blue boxes, and it says list the first 8 multiples. So you only have to put 8 numbers on the line that are multiples of each number. Here is where you're going to list all of the factors for each of the following. So on your separate sheet of paper or your whiteboard, whatever you're using, you can just write me your list of factors for each number. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to email me. Otherwise, have a good day. Get some time outside. It's been super nice out. Have a good day.